Alright, so guys, so my washing machine stopped working. Specifically, the drum inside stopped rolling, and it won't wash, it won't spin, right? And if I had to get or like handyman to fix this, they'll probably charge me $300 or more. So I figured that I might try to do it myself, right? And I think the issue is when we load the washing machine more than what it's designed for, so the washing machine is going to require more torque to roll the drum. And there's one gear right here, so when this rolls, right, so this, you can see this part right there is connected to this. I removed this from the back, right? So when you use more load than expected, this is going to get worn out, right? And when this gets worn out, which is connected to this, then it won't be able to turn the drum in there, right? So I want to try to fix it myself. So I bought this on Amazon, I think like $15, I guess. So I want to replace it, and hopefully it works. And if it works, so if you have that kind of issue in future, you know how to fix it. All right, let me get started. So as you can see, this is an update. So I removed this one, the one that is worn out, and I replace it with this one that I still have some things in there. So I'm gonna put this back in here. So I'm gonna stop the recording because I can't handle the phone with it together. Okay, so let's try it out. All right, so let me just try to see if the drum is gonna roll. There you go, the drum is rolling. As you can see, it's working. See right there. Woo, I would have paid like $300 for this. See, it's rolling. Woo, I fixed that for like less than $20, and this should